Welcome back, guys. Today I want to show you how to install VirtualBox, the latest one in 2026 on Windows 11 machine. Okay, here we go. We started. The first step, we need to check if a computer support virtualization. What we're doing is right-click in Task Manager, open Task Manager. I will be open a Windows, and then we go to Performance. In Performance, we need to check for virtualization. It's enabled. If not enabled, it's many guys on internet. You need to look for your reference computer, or if you leave me a comment, I try to send you a guide how enable that one in your BIOS. In my case, I'm using a computer i5 with 32 GB memory. Okay, guys. So that's first step. Second step is looking for the package we need to install. So in my case, I will be open Google Chrome, and then we're looking for VirtualBox later package. Download. That is a part of the Oracle packages, so we can download this one. In my case, I'm using a Windows, and the last version is 7.2 platform packages, so I will install on Windows. So as you see, he started downloading. All depends on the speed of your computer. Remember that thing. So we open the file, clean the file, double click, and basically that will be an installation. Okay. That's it. Everything check. You need to check the space, whether you want to put it in. Next. Warning, network disconnection. Okay. So just be careful this one. Okay. Yes. And add the menu. No, I just want to create a shortcut and default opening file here. Next. Install. In the meantime, let me sort it up something, but not less mouse. You see, guys, that's finished. You will have an icon in your desktop. Here you go. And you will have an icon. Let me see if I found the icon for you in your desktop. Okay, guys, that's all. I hope so that guy worked for you. Visit more of my videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.